Let's go to Albenga, the land of zucchini. We're going to make an entire meal with zucchini trombetta. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. These are zucchini trombetta from Albenga in Liguria. I grow them in my garden every summer because the flesh is dense, there are practically no seeds, and it remains crunchy when you cook them. If you cannot find zucchini trombetta, buy small zucchini as they have fewer seeds and they are not too watery. We start with the antipasto, zucchini fritte with flour. These are the ingredients you need. The measurements are in the description below, and you can find and print the full detailed recipe on my blog at the link above. Cut the green sepal away at the base of each petal. Open each flowers and check inside. Rinse under cold water and leave them upside down in a colander to drain. Cut them into strips lengthwise. Rinse the zucchini and slice them finely into rounds. Put the zucchini and the flour into a bowl. Add the eggs, the flour and the grated mozzarella, Parmigiano, salt and black pepper. Mix until combined. Heat the olive oil in a wide pan over medium heat. Press a handful of butter into the small patty and lay it in the oil. Fry for 10 minutes until golden on the first side, then flip. Put the finished fritter on a kitchen towel to drain. Serve while still warm. Now the primo. Pasta with zucchini and ricotta. These are the ingredients you need. The measurements are in the description below, and you can find and print the full detailed recipe on my blog at the link above. Cut the zucchini into round. Melt butter in olive oil in a wide pan. Add the zucchini and season with salt. Stir fry until the rounds are golden. I use butter because it combines with ricotta more smoothly. While the zucchini cook, boil the pasta in a large pot of well-salted water for 1 minute, less than the package says. Here I use Mafalda shaped pasta that is small like zucchini and will trap the ricotta on its rough surface. In a separate bowl, add to the ricotta 2 tablespoons of pasta water full of starch, plenty of black pepper and a tablespoon of freshly grated Parmesan. With a fork, whip the ricotta until it's soft and fluffy. Drain the pasta and pour over the zucchini. Add the fluffy ricotta and stir all together. Serve immediately. For the secondo, we are making a patate zucchini casserole. I found this in a copy of Cucina Italiana from the 1970s. It takes the potato gâteau my mother used to make and add the layer of zucchini on top. These are the ingredients you need. The measurements are in the description below, and you can find and print the full detailed recipe on my blog at the link above. Put the unpeeled potatoes in cold water and boil until cooked through. While they cook, slice the zucchini into thin rounds. Melt a little butter with olive oil in a pan over low heat. Add the zucchini. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg. Stir fry over medium heat for about 20 minutes. Peel the potato while they're still hot and pass them through a food mill into a bowl. I use KitchenAid vegetable strainer and I don't have to peel them. Add the rest of the butter in pieces, the shredded emmental, the egg yolk, the Parmigiano, a pinch of nutmeg and salt to the potato. Stir well after each addition. Grease with butter a round metal dish of 9 inches 22 centimeters across and dust with breadcrumbs. A metal dish gives a better crust to the bottom than a ceramic, but you can use a ceramic as well. Spread the potato mixture evenly over the base and slightly up the sides. Dust with extra Parmigiano. Spread the cooked zucchini over the top with all their juices. Lay the pancetta between the zucchini round. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Serve it hot, straight from the dish. For more delicious zucchini recipe like this one, check out the playlist I've linked for you. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out our next culinary adventure. If you want to finish with a ricotta dessert, you can either make Sicilian cannoli or a light ricotta cake with no butter.